Hi, this is Osias from Session, and today we're going to learn how to automatically create a personalized video for every user that uses one specific word, one specific search term, one specific word on a tweet, let's say. In this case, the word is deforestation. But why? Well, as marketers, as social media marketers, we want to be able to be responsive to our target audience needs. Every time they say something, we want to be able to know if we need to answer or not. So one of the best way to engage with our audiences is by using video. And one of the best way to get better results with video is by using or by creating personalized video, like to talking directly to them. So let me show you one example of a personalized video. Well, the personalized video we're going to be creating. Here we have it. Deforestation name, we also hate it. That tree needs your help. Okay? So it's a really simple template, video template. And instead of name, we're going to be using that person's name. Could be, for example, in my case, @Josias, or it could be @Mike, or you name it. We also hate it. Okay? And how are we going to be creating this personalized video? Well, we're going to be using our solution, which is Session. Go to session.com and create one free account. Session is a solution that helps you create personalized videos for every user, lead, prospect, customer, content, etc. automatically. And the way we're going to be connecting Session to Twitter is by using Zapier. Go to zapier.com again and create a free account. Zapier is a tool, a solution that helps you connect several apps, usually business and social media apps, by using triggers and actions. It's fantastic. I really use it a lot. I love this app because it makes my life as a marketer much easier. So let me show you how. As I said before, this is the Session template we are going to be using, and here we have it. In this template we have, as you heard one soundtrack, we have 1, 2 background videos, and then we have a few texts which are dynamic media. This means that if it is a dynamic media, it means that it's an image, text, audio, or video that changes on a video basis. Let's say it's a personalized. The media that makes that video to be personalized. Any information that is coming from outside our solution. It could be a template media if I just change it here. For example, in this case, deforestation, I want it to be a template media. Deforestation. Okay? For example. But the name and the other text, I want it to be a dynamic media, and I'm going to show you why and how in a few seconds. Let's connect Twitter with Session. In order to do that, we're going to use Zapier, as I said before. The first thing you do when you have a Zapier account is create a new Zap. You can use the Zap book to, like here, to explore existing apps or combinations, from other users, or you can create your own Zap, just like I'm going to do now to show you how it works. So the first thing here is Twitter. So what I'm doing now is to tell the platform, okay, every time something happens here in the trigger side, in our case, every time the word deforestation is used, another app will be doing something. So every time a search mention with the setup I'm going to do now happens, every time this happens here, Session will be creating a personalized video, a video. Okay? We click continue, and if you haven't, you connect your Twitter account. You only need to add your Twitter credentials the first time you do this. The same with Session. You only need to add your Session credentials the first time you do it. You test it, then you click continue. And here we're going to write down our search term, which in this case is deforestation. Okay. You could add one or several filters. Filters in this case are really good because they help you to, for example, let's say you only want to create a video for users in Panama or in the States or in Miami, or using like specific geolocation data, or for users that have one specific user, or that have like a profile, a really active profile, etc., etc. You can do that by using custom filters. To make it easier and faster now, I'm not going to use any filter in this demonstration. So we click continue, and now we need to select our session template. In this case, the session template I'm going to use is this one here, Twitter demo. I created Twitter demo personalized video. I created this session template for this demonstration. I have a lot of session templates, so I'm going to use the last one, which is this one here. Okay. Now what Zapier will do / session will do is to display or to show the dynamic media that we load or we activate here, which is the two texts I showed you before, like the two text fields I showed you before. Now let's give this video its metadata. For example, let's use user's full name, for example. If you click here in insert in fields, it will display all the options, all the data options available from Twitter or from any other app you're using in the trigger side. As you can see, Twitter gives you a lot of options within Zapier, like a lot of options. So in this case, let's keep it simple, and we're going to use full name, comma, we also hate deforestation. Okay. So as you can see, you can combine fields, which is really good. And here we're gonna use, for example, this user's tweet text. Then we're gonna add a few keywords like, I don't know, session TV, I don't know, deforestation, for example, or any other field from Twitter too. That also works. Okay. Let's say we want to add or to use specific metadata. So, for example, user, and I want to add this user's, this guy's username. Okay. Just in case you want to then trigger from session to Twitter, or from session to Facebook, or from session to Gmail or any other app. When a video is created, then session can also react with our app in the trigger side. So as you can see here, we have two dynamic media, two empty fields that we can where we can add more information to, which is this field here, as well as this field here. Where are you? Here, this text here. So let's say we want to use this guy's name, for example. Now we have another example, which is Michael, comma, we also hate it. Okay. And as a third text, we want to use, I can't remember, that tree needs your help. That tree needs your help. Okay. We click continue. And now we're going to test it. Zapier will show you well displayed up to 3 samples. So let me create one video and another video. Now session is creating 2 videos. This is just for testing purposes, so that means that nothing is happening, just the video will be created, but I'm not sending any tweet or something like that. What Zapier is doing now is to display 3 tweets, like the 3 last tweets using, I guess, the 3 last tweets using that are mentioning also the word or using the search term deforestation. Okay, done. Session created 2 videos. Let me play the first one. Okay, here we have Lily, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, Aloist. We also hate it, deforestation, etc. That tree needs your help. Okay, great. Now let me play another video. deforestation, Inigo, Irizar, we also hate it. That tree needs your help. Okay, so if we activate this from Twitter, deforestation, for example, session. If we activate this, which I will not do now, will not do it now, session will start creating personalized video every time. Well, let's do it every time the word deforestation is used. So I will activate it and then I will deactivate it if it happens to be any word noun. So here we have it. Let me run it. Okay, it's triggering one tweet. You don't need to do this manually. Zapier does it every 5 or every 15 minutes, depending on the type of account you have. Now, as you can see, it is processing, so we just need to wait a few seconds, and the video will be created. Okay, here we have it. Yagi, we also hate it. Okay, super easy. As you saw, it just took around 10 minutes or even less because I'm explaining every step to you. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so that's how it works. Now if you want to be able to send that video like on a tweet to that specific user, you can also do that by creating a new Zap here. And now instead of creating a tab instead of Twitter, we're gonna choose session, then new video. Every time a new video is created, we want to be able to maybe tweet about it, create a tweet to inform the user that we created a video for him or for her. So the first time you do this, Zapier will give you what is called a webhook, which is kind of a notification system. You just need to copy that webhook and paste it within your session template here. That's all you need to do. Paste it here where it says webhook. Here, paste it. You save the template. Okay, you continue, and now Zapier, the first time it does that, it will ask you to create a tweet. Usually, it depends on the Zap, but usually will ask you to create a tweet. So here, a video with that. Yeah, here we have it. So let me create a video with that app, Zap. Sorry. Okay. So. Okay. Twitter deforestation. Let me turn it on. Or not even on, just let me, oh sorry. Let me test it. Okay, I'm gonna create one video. Session is creating the video right now. We need to wait a few seconds. And now I'm publishing the video on my session account. I'm not publishing them on Twitter, on YouTube, sorry, or Amazon, etc. It's probably easier to upload them on YouTube so you can share them. Now, when the video has been created, Zapier will have all the information with the webhook. So here we can add, for example, that user's name. Yeah, here user. Here is the video for you, and the video URL. For example, HTTP URL/video ID, and that's all you need to do. So that's how it works. If you have any question, just let us know. We are here to help. Have a great day. Bye.